So today I wanted to give you my review of one of Dalstrong's new series, which looks like it is being called Dalstrong Workshop. And being a huge Dalstrong fan, which I have been for many, many years now, I went ahead and ordered the denim apron. And I wanted to go ahead and kind of show you some of the features of this apron because I have become, like their tools in the kitchen, a huge fan. First of all, just the close-ups of things make it a little bit easier for you to see. If you're looking at my written review, then you'll be able to see some of the pictures that I've done in addition to this video review. But the first is their adjustable neck strap. And I'm going to tell you that this particular apron is extremely customizable and fits me like a dream. I love their attention to detail on everything. They have done this wonderfully soft, and it really is a soft leather strapping to anchor the neck strap. And this particular neck strap is a cotton webbing, and it is fully adjustable, but it's very soft against your neck. And one of the things I liked about this while I was wearing it in the kitchen is that it's breathable. It doesn't make me hot when it sits around the back of my neck. And then you can see on the other side how well it's anchored with the sewing here. Usually you see me wearing things when I do the review, and like I said, I do have some pictures if you are looking at the Amazon site where you can see me actually wearing the apron. But there's certain things that I wanted to get up close with, and I just felt I could do that better with the video camera. So if you look at the denim and the stitching, everything is even, it's straight, it's reinforced, there's no uneven hems. I mean, this is just super, super, super good quality work. So from there, I'm coming down, and we're basically going to look at the center pocket. Center pocket is perfect. This is about the size, the depth. I can get my fingers all the way down. So we're looking at something that's perfect for thermometers, your pens if you need them. Has that classic look with the little red tag, but I love the added class feature of just that leather Dalstrong logo right in the center. Kind of classes everything up and makes it look very, very professional looking. Then as I come down to the sides, I have the side straps. And my side straps, again, very, very well sewn into the material. They're very flexible. It's very easy for me to do a tie around my back by myself. I don't have to worry about the material being stiff or sliding open on me. It holds very, very well. And then I come down and I can look at one of the side pockets. So the side pockets, of course, again, very well sewn, but they're very, very deep. I can get my whole hand in this particular pocket, and it allows me to just put any of the miscellaneous items I have with me, whether it be a spatula, spoon, it's just any tool I'm using at the moment fits very, very nicely inside of this. So as you come down, you can see this particular apron has a really nice dual-sided look with those pockets. The premium stitching at the bottom, nice hem. But I want to turn this over for you and show you something else that I really like about this particular apron. On the inside of this left pocket, you have another Dalstrong pocket. And again, this pocket is beautifully sewn. Sorry, I was out of out of the frame there for a minute. But I found it to be the perfect size for my cell phone. So anything I don't want on the counter, keys, cell phone, wallet, money, change, anything like that that I want to carry with me, but that I don't want necessarily contaminating up my food area, perfect. I have it just inside, easily at hand's reach, but yet it's being kept clean and it's kept out of my way while I'm working. So the last thing I want to tell you about this, actually there's two more things I want to tell you about this. Normally I don't look at, the boxing, but I did want to tell you just because so many of you will order things like this as gifts. And if you look, it is set up really as a beautiful box so that you would be proud to give this to anybody. When they open it, it comes, with the tissue paper wrap. It has a plastic bag that the apron will be in itself. A little silica gel in there to make sure that everything is kept dry. It's very well presented. It has this incredible wow factor that, especially if you're going to invest in a gift for somebody or a gift for yourself, hey, I like a wow factor every once in a while too, because, we work hard for our money. And it's nice when you receive something to actually feel like the person appreciates the money you spent on their product. So, the last bit I figure you would want to know is how well this holds up and how well it washes. And I can tell you that what you are looking at right now is once washed. And yes, I know the tags are still on it. I did it just to show you what the tags look like that come with it. You can see from the dryer, especially the ends are kind of beat up. I went out of my way to kind of like preserve the tags just to make sure that you'd be able to see those as well. But it comes out pretty much wrinkle free as long as you just take it out of the dryer and do this, hang it up right away. Treat it with normal care. I didn't do anything special to it other than just take the tags off and put the tags back on so you could see them. And I think you're going to be really happy with the wear and the way this particular apron is going to perform for you.